Beautiful.
Oh,
One owner car.
oh,
Worcester, Mass. You want to buy it? Call Big Dog.
All right. Thank you.
72 Monte Carlo, one owner car, garage kept, bought it brand new, 350. Okay. Don't drive it in the rain. See Big Dog.
Thank you.
ooh.
Right down, turn down, see Big Dog.
Did you watch my General Lee?
Yeah,
Nice.
you did a good job of that. I know the guy that owns it too.
Uh-huh.
I'll let him know.
Yeah, let him know because I tagged the other guy